Morning, all my dear students of class 5. How are you? Is it fine? Okay. Now, this is your maths teacher and the host of this video, Ajay Raswani. Again, welcome into this online video lecture series of class 5 mathematics. Now, in the last, that is video number 7, that we completed there. Now, this is our 8th, that means our last video series on this, our first Roman numerals here. Now today we are going to complete here the first problem set that given in our textbook here. So the textbook that you have of class 5 mathematics, in this textbook on first page and second page you have given our first lesson Roman numeral. I think by observing, by watching all these videos up to 1 to 7, you can observe your textbook clearly. You should understand all the information that given about Roman number easily there. So on this whole information that we completed up to 7 period, that means 7 videos. Now today we are ending this first lesson Roman numeral at problem set number 1, that is given in our textbook at page number 2 there. So on page number 2, that should be observed there. On page number 2, at the starting of this page, you have given problem set number 1 there. It's heading, and I think you should observe total 5 questions on that Roman numerals here. Now here I am trying to solve all these 5 questions orally. You have to listen carefully about these 5 questions. That not here I am going on this green board here, those 5 questions. You have to just listen, observe carefully about these 5 questions. After observing, listening carefully, after completion of this video, you have to open your notebook and textbook there, and you have to complete all these 5 questions with problem set 1 as a heading in your classwork notebook. And when our school will be started, then I will check your classwork notebooks there. Keep in mind. Now, while getting the questions on this Roman numerals in problem set number 1, so I am checking the first question that should be easily there. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. The first very simple question given to you. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Now in this question, you have to write 1 to 20 in international number and transfer those numbers into Roman sign here. That is somewhat simplistic question. If I am telling the answer of this 20 number, 1 we write as capital I, 2 we write as double I, 3 we write as triple I, 4 we write as IV, 5 we write as V, 6 we write as VI, 7 we write as V double I, 8 we write as V triple I, 9 we write as IX, 10 we write as X, 11 we write as XI, 12 we write as X double I, 13 we write as X triple I, 14 we write as XIV, 15 we write as XV, 16 we write as XVI, 17 we write as XV double I, 18 we write as XV triple I, 19 we write as XIX, and 20 you have write as double X. This is the answer of question 1. Listen carefully and write down your notebook. Thereafter, second question that given, that we observing question pattern in the last video. The heading of second question given in this way: write the following numbers using international numerals. So, if you observe in your textbook, you have given Roman numbers in second question, and those Roman numbers we have to transfer into their international values. So I think 8 examples that are given there. The first example that is given as V there. So international while writing V into international number, we write answer as 5. Second example, V double I, that represent international number 7 there. Thereafter X, that represent international number 10. Fourth example, X triple I, that represent international number 13. Next, fifth example, XIV, that represent international number 14. Sixth example, XVI, that simply represents international number 16. Thereafter, seventh example, XV triple I, it represents international number 18. And eighth example, IX, simply it represents international number 9. So these are 8 examples given in our second question. After that, third question that is given in this way, fill in the empty boxes. Now this question is completely on transferring of Roman numbers into international and international into Roman, alter change there. So you have given a box in that question 3 and two subtitles are there, number and Roman numerals there. So I think total 6 examples that are given there. 3 examples on how to write international number into Roman sign and 3 examples on how to write Roman number into international number. So in the box, the first number given is 3. 3 given in international way. So we have to write its Roman sign, that is triple I. Second example, we have given Roman number V triple I. So its international number comes 8. But while writing 8 there, we have to write down its spelling, EIGHT. Thereafter, third example, 6, international number given. 6 we have to transfer into Roman sign, that is VI. Thereafter, fourth example, X double I, that is given into Roman sign. Now, while transferring into international number, we identify 12 and write down there its spelling TWELVE. Let's proceed. Example number 5. International number given 15. FIFTEEN. 15 write down in Roman sign as XV. And the last example of that box, XIX, Roman number given. XIX, that means 19. And write down the spelling as NINETEEN, 19. So after this question 3, question 4 given there. Write the numbers using Roman numerals there. So in this question 4, you have given international numbers, international values, and then transfer into Roman sign. The first example is of 9. So 9 we write as IX. Second example 2. We write 2 in Roman sign as double I. Third example 17. So 17 while writing into Roman sign we make XV double I. Thereafter example number 4 is given there, that is 4, same number given. 4 we write in Roman sign as IV. Thereafter fifth example 11. 11 we can write into Roman sign as XI. Thereafter sixth example 18. We write 18 into Roman sign as XV triple I. In this way, 6 examples given into question 4 there. Thereafter, fifth example, fifth question that is given, it is somewhat on your basic knowledge. That means, if you understand about the whole information about Roman numerals, then you have to just check out whether given pairing is correct or wrong, and then you have to put up there either correct mark or you have to put up either wrong mark. Let's continue question number 5 in our text. The question read out here and first. in the table below, each given number is written in international number and again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put correct sign in the box under it. If not, put wrong sign and correct it. So we have given the box. After that, the box is of 3 horizontal rows, and in that box you have given 5 examples. Now, first example that given there, international number 4. International number 4 is given, and that 4, let's try to keep up on this screen board. So yeah, Roman numerals. Sorry, problem set 1. And this is your question 5 that we explained here. So the first pairing that is given in this way, 4, we write as given in this way, 4 times double, 4 times I. Now if you observe this pairing, I think 4, this is the wrong way given. That means this is a wrong pair. So we have to correct out 4 into its own correct sign. So we write as IB. So first example has the answer in this way. Second example given is a 6 here, and this 6 we write they are given in Roman sign, that is BI. Let's think about this. 6 and BI matches them. If yes, then it is correct, and if it is correct, then we have to put up their right sign. Third example, 8, that is given into the box, and for that 8 number, the Roman sign given as double IX. But while writing 8, we write as always V triple I. So this is the wrong pair. So we put a wrong sign into the box and we try to correct it. That is V triple I. So 8 we can write as V triple I. Thereafter, fourth example that are given there, 16, and the Roman sign for that 16 given as XVI. Now let's think whether this pair correct or wrong. So I think 16 and XVI both are matches here. That means this is the correct pair. So we put a correct sign into the box here. And the fifth example in that 15 that we given, and for 15 they are given Roman number as V, triple V. But according to rule number 1, the basic signs like V, L and D that are never repeats. So this is the wrong answer. So we try to correct 15 in correct Roman sign as XV. So this is your question 5 that given in your textbook. Try to solve correctly. Thereafter, in that same on that same page, we are given some extra information there, something more under this title. L, C, G, and M are also used as Roman numerals. So in that we have given total 7 basic signs that we explain in video number 1. Observe carefully. Now you have given the activity also in your textbook. While taking this activity, when will be our school start? You can continue there. The activity given in this way: apart from clocks and watches, where else do we see Roman numerals? Now in this activity, they are saying that we observe Roman numbers into watches and clocks. That means clocks that we continue on our wall hanging method. On that wall clock and our wristwatch, we observe there Roman numbers. But instead of these two, where we can observe Roman numbers again, that we have to think and try to make your own answer. I am taking one answer, that is in our textbook. Whenever anyone in that textbook, to make the subtitle, we also use Roman numerals there. One example here I am saying. Let's think another examples. Thereafter, at the last of this page number 2, the short information that is given, the decimal system of writing numbers there. So the short paragraph that is given there. Here I am trying to read out it. It is not easy to read or write numbers using Roman numerals. It also makes calculations difficult there. So you have learned to write numbers using the 10 digits 0 to 9 in that system. The value of digit depends upon its place in the number. This system of writing numbers is called the decimal system. Mathematicians of ancient India invented the decimal system of writing numbers and it began to use it. Later, this system was accepted in all parts of the world because it was simple and convenient. Now, I think in first video, at the last, I am explaining drawbacks of Roman number system. And in that drawbacks, I am saying in Roman number system we cannot write the place value of digit. On that drawback, this paragraph is given there. At the last, here I am saying in short, in our own mother tongue Marathi language. पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी आपण रोमन संख्या चिन्हांमधला एक दोष त्या ठिकाणी आपण पाहिलेला होता. रोमन संख्या चिन्हांमध्ये आपण अंकांची स्थानिक किंमत त्या ठिकाणी लिहू शकत नाही. त्या कारणामुळे रोमन संख्या चिन्हांचा वापर हा आपण एकदम कमी करतो. तर याच कारणावर आधारित पेज नंबर 2 वरचा पॅराग्राफ, शेवटचा पॅराग्राफ तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे. या ठिकाणी असं म्हटलेलं आहे की या ठिकाणी रोमन संख्या चिन्हांमध्ये आपण अंकांची स्थानिक किंमत देऊ शकत नाही. पण आपल्या भारतामधील होऊन गेलेल्या गणित तज्ञांनी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या आर्यभट्ट आहेत, भास्कराचार्य आहेत, आणखी बरेचसे रामानुजन आहेत आपले, त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी बायनरी सिस्टीम, त्या ठिकाणी दशमान पद्धतीचा वापर त्या ठिकाणी संख्या लेखनासाठी केलेला होता. आणि या दशमान मांडणीमध्ये ज्या संख्या आपण वापरतो त्या संख्यांमधील अंकांची स्थानिक किंमत त्या अंकाच्या स्थानावर आधारित असते आणि ही स्थानिक किंमत लिहिता येत असल्यामुळे या संख्यांचा वापर करणं हे रोमन नंबर्स पेक्षा खूप सोपं आणि त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला जात असेल. त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी हा पॅराग्राफ आपल्याला जो दिलेला आहे तो त्या कारणावरती दिलेला आहे. दशमान मापन पद्धतीमध्ये आपण संख्या लिहू शकत असल्यामुळे रोमन संख्या ऐवजी या नेहमीच्या संख्या आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी लिहायला सोपं जातं. त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी हा पॅराग्राफ मध्ये दिलेला आहे, तो वाचा आणि व्यवस्थित समजून घ्या. तो सगळ्या शेवटी हा छोटासा भाग होता, थोडासा महत्त्वाचा, तो समजला नसता, यावर थोडक्यात मी मराठी टेन्शन घेतलेलं. So try to catch up this part here. So this is our ending of our first lesson, Roman numerals. So let's observe all these 8 videos carefully, listen carefully, that here I am writing on the green board, and then you have your own textbook, you have your own classroom notebook, the notes, the information that will be provided on your WhatsApp account there. Those information you have to write in your classwork notebook, and at last, the problem set number 1 given in our textbook, you have to compulsory solve in your classwork notebook there. Keep in mind. सगळ्यात शेवटी महत्त्वाची सूचना सांगतोय मी परत एकदा मराठीमध्ये. आपला जो पहिला प्रॉब्लेम सेट आपल्याला दिलेला आहे तो पूर्ण प्रॉब्लेम सेट उत्तरासहित प्रश्न आणि उत्तरासहित तुम्हाला आपल्या वर्गपाठाच्या वहीत कंप्लीट करून घ्यायचा आहे. ज्यावेळेस आपल्या शाळा सुरू होतील त्यावेळेस हा पहिला प्रॉब्लेम सेट मी त्या ठिकाणी तुमचा चेक करा. लक्षात ठेवा. So till we have to stop here in this video. This is our first lesson, Roman numerals. Let's keep in mind. Okay, we will meet in another lesson in the next video. So till we have to stop. Thank you. Have a nice day.